Hello, welcome to the next video, guys. I thought I would make a short explanation of why we didn't have new opening videos on our channel. I've been actually busy with a new project. If you're on our Discord, you may be aware of it. And yeah, I'm gonna explain to you what currently I am doing and perhaps give you a nice tool to try out on your own. First of all, I would like to introduce you to this page. If you didn't know, it's called ladisshogi.com. This is a free website made by my husband, in fact, and it gives you a lot of tools to use. For example, you can do some beginner puzzles, just checkmate problems, some more complex ones. You can challenge yourself to biomi survival, stuff like this. You can practice against computer, you can explore some openings. You can also import your Kifu and analyze with the computer if you're interested. And you can, of course, keep track of everything you solve, everything you do through these statistics. And this is a cool website and everything, but I thought I will do my own project based on that website, and that is this one. This is an Android phone with Android app that I'm currently making by my own, with a little bit of help, my husband, of course. I'm learning this language from, this is Kotlin language from, well, basically nothing, so it took me a lot of time to make it this far. But currently we have this working app. It's possible for you guys, if you have Android phone, to become a tester on our Discord and to try it out. It's very basics for now. It allows you to choose how many moves Tsume you would like to do. For example, you can choose Tsume in 3, 5, 13, yeah. You have option to keep your screen on. We have the option to show it piece movement if you're not confident with those. And then you load the Tsume here. And it allows you to solve Tsume. If you play a wrong move, it gives you a sound cue and shows you the wrong square. If you play the correct move, continue the variation for you to solve. And then finally, it's gonna give you the award, a thing, yeah, for you to solve it. You can, of course, go back and check everything that you played. You can change your settings once more, or you can just load another problem. If you have a problem with a given, problem, then you can always use the hint button. The hint button will allow you to skip 2 moves and then find the solution. Yeah. You can also give up and simply review the whole solution yourself. That's very basic app, as you can guys see, but it takes a lot of effort. Like, for example, piece selection, I had to program from nothing. Thankfully, I had the same graphics as the playshogi.com already had, but everything else we built. Currently, yeah, we're testing the app. If you guys would like to become tester, you can come to our Discord. The only problem we have for now is that not all phone sizes are able to fit those buttons on the bottom, for example, or the board itself. If you guys have Android phone in different sizes to test it for us, then we can make a better layout as well. So yeah, if you're interested to solve some Tsume on your Shogi phone with some nice English interface, please help us. And I will see you tomorrow with the new video of the opening. Sorry for no update for so long, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.